What is language? Language is the bedrock of human progress and self-expression. It's a diverse system, whether spoken, written, or signed, allowing us to share thoughts, emotions, and ideas. Hall, in 1969, mentioned that language is the institution whereby humans communicate and interact with each other by means of habitually used oral, auditory, arbitrary symbols. Language. According to Nordquist 2020, a second language is any language that a person uses other than a first or native language. My own definition of second language is simply any language a person learns and uses after their first or native language. Implications of the second language acquisition. What is transfer? It's the process where the rules, habits, and thought patterns from your L1 unconsciously get applied to your L2. We need to mention that there exists the positive transfer. This occurs when similarities between the first language and the second language make L2 acquisition easier or more convenient. And it also exists negative transfer. This happens when differences between the first language and the second language cause difficulties, errors, or make second language expressions feel awkward. Types of transfer. Pronunciation. L1 sounds and phonetic patterns directly influence L2 pronunciation. For example, a Chinese speaker pronouncing the English thing as sing because the T sound doesn't exist in their native language. Syntax. L, one-sentence structures and arrangement rules impact L, two-sentence construction and understanding. For example, a Spanish speaker saying I have cold instead of I'm cold, a direct translation from tengo frío. Word and morphology. L1 similarities can aid L2 vocabulary learning, and L1 processing habits for word components affect L2 word decoding. For example, a Spanish speaker quickly understanding the Spanish word family because it looks and sounds similar to familia. Important aspects of L2 acquisition on children and suggestions for teachers. There is a hypothesis that suggests that second language acquisition is very similar to mother tongue acquisition. So it's important for teachers to recognize that a student's first language significantly influences their second language. The silent period. It is a phenomenon observed in children acquiring a second language where children may not speak L2 initially but interact and comprehend what is being said. So it's important that teachers be patient and understand and recognize that during a child's silent period, they are actively comprehending even if they are not speaking. Finally, teachers should adapt their teaching methods, adjust instructional approaches based on the student's L1 tendencies. References.